Hey, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories, and I'm coming from the Keystone Big Show in Colorado. And I'm over here at the DeeZee booth. As you know, I love DeeZee products. I'm an authorized DeeZee dealer, and we got some new stuff. I'm gonna tell you before we get started, it's new, so it's not out yet, but guess what? You're gonna see it first, that's right. And guess what? I'm gonna let Josh, who knows more about this than I do, so I'm gonna go ahead and pass the microphone on to you, buddy. Here you go. And Josh will tell you guys all about this brand new product.
Well, thank you. Yeah, we're showing this tonneau cover and kind of getting your guys' feedback on it. Our goal is to start shipping limited SKUs later this summer and have a full lineup by the end of the year. So maybe by next season we'll have the full lineup available. But you get a beautiful bright red tonneau cover, and what makes us different is the whole outside of our tonneau cover is an extrusion with a built-in channel. So the sky's the limit on what you want to do. You can see in the front like a crossbar. That's the grab handle out of our Jeep, but it's nice to have a handle to reach up and pull down on that tonneau cover. As well as we use our Hex Series channel on here, so if you want to mount a MOLLE web and mount product under there, you can as well. And the beautiful thing is, it's through distribution, so you can actually get it to your customers in a timely, affordable manner.
Right. So I'm going to get a little closer. As you know, this is not out yet, but keep in touch with us. We'll let you know when this is coming out. But DeeZee, as you know, they're always state-of-the-art, coming out with the newest products. I think this is going to be a great, user-friendly, and man, this is going to be so cool when it's all set up. Again, this is Chris. I'm at the DeeZee booth here with Josh, and we're at the Keystone Big Show. Thanks.
Thanks, guys.